Greetings Earthlings, this is going to be a build it video for a ADDAC 2000 CT cable tester for testing IDC cables for Eurorack modules or anything else that uses a IDC cable. I've got this from fonk.co.uk, good place for Eurorack modules and parts, potentiometers, all stuff like that. I'll leave a link in the description. I bought this with my own money, it's not sponsored. And I paid about 35 quid for this. From Lisbon, Portugal apparently. Right, get the bits out and have a look at the circuit board. This is what you get in the kit. You get two boards. Plain on one side, printed on the outside for the top and bottom. There are some SMD components on there, there's a few resistors, capacitor, diodes and a TL72 op amp and SMD one already pre-soldered, few resistors in there. The other bits you get are 10, 16 and 26 pin sockets, pair of jacks 3.5mm that aren't threaded at the top, they've got like a sleeve on, some hardware, some LEDs and some little rubber feet, and a 16 pin cable. So it does actually check your power rails as well, but you can't power up a module through that. Well, it's not advisable, just in case. It uses a different standard, some of them. And that is something you're going to need to watch out for. Okay, so it shouldn't take that long to do this. Famous last words. There's a little bit of a bend in that circuit board. A bit of a on it straight, stands up a bit better on there, it's not rocking on these capacitors. Next job is to get these in, and they need their finished leg chopped off. Just go in there, like that. One on there, one on there. That's for testing the patch leads. It's quite handy. Flux on there. Right, get the LEDs in there. Got a door shut. Got a picture on the phone where they go. It's green at the bottom. I'll start over here. I'm going to put some flux on the leads first. Probably overkill, but because the holes are quite small, it can be tricky to get it to flow very nicely. quick clean up with some IPA. Let's see, I took my time on getting the LEDs, trying to get them as straight as I could. I think I did a bad job on them. Just soldered one leg and then moved them around, trying to get them in a nice neat row. That's showing up on there. Alright, let's give it a test out. It's a nice long test lead as well, it's about 1 metre long that. Which is handy. It is plugged into the power supply. I'll get in there and turn it on. Let's hope it don't go bang. There's the power supply. Right, it's on. Any lights? We have lights. So that's saying plus 5 volt. LEDs aren't very well matched, it's a bit low that one. Plus 5 volt, plus 5 volt, 12 volt, and minus 12 volt. The top one is CV, and the bottom one is gate. That LED is not very bright, that one, need a bit more solder on there. Oh, that's the 5 volt one, that's probably why. It's just not as much voltage on it. Maybe they use the same resistor for that. Okay, right, let's try that cable. I've got a cable here with a 16 pin on one end and a 10 pin on the other. I'm guessing it will still do that. So we need to put the bottom on first. Let's put the bottom on. Side A and red stripe down, side B. And there we go. It is working. That comes out on there like that. They are all connected. That's good. Let's try a patch lead. Maybe we can do 2 at once. Patch lead in. And that. And that. Yeah. So we've got the tip and the sleeve confirmed on that. And you can do 2 at once. There we go then. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you later.